Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. This is the concluding part of the wherein I have shown the detailed drafting and cutting of the front open kurta making. Assuming you have watched it, if you missed out, the link is in front of your screen. Also the details available in the description box. Please check with the link for the drafting and cutting. This is the pattern of the slim fit kurta. Those who want to look slim and fit, they have to try this. Then you must try this pattern. Let's quickly start with the stitching. Firstly, I'll join this turned off inch strip to the sleeve opens to highlight the pattern of the sleeves. Placing both right sides together, start stitching. Double fold it like this towards wrong side and give the top stitch. And these are the straight strips. I'm ready with the sleeves now. You can see here. Now I'll join the shoulder lines. This is the back panel. I've joined the 1/8 strip here to give an elegant look to the kurta. Both front and back panels I've joined. Align both front and back panels, placing right sides together, and now I'll join the shoulder lines. Now I am using the bias strip for the concealing of the neckline. Place the bias strip on the neckline and start stitching. Flip the underneath seam allowance towards the bias strip and give the top stitch. Fold the strip towards wrong side and give the top stitch. Now I will trim off all the extras. completely turn the bias strip towards wrong side and I'll give the top stitch. If you are not comfortable stitching with the bias, you can also use the interfacing necklines for the concealing of raw edges. This is how the concealed neckline would look. Now I'll conceal the center slit of the front panel. Joining this 2.5 inches strip, I have folded the raw edges in, already pressed it. Now placing it towards the wrong side, 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now giving the stitch. Now on the top, fold it like this, and overlapping we have to again give the stitch. And this is how I have concealed the center slit, and these plackets will really gives the nicer look. Overlapping it like this. Now I'll join the sleeves with the bodies, placing both right sides together. Give the stitch. I'm done with the joining of the sleeves, and this is how it looks. Now I'll join the sides. Only till the hip line I'll join it. I'll give the slit openings towards the sides, and it's completely optional. If you want, you can also join the sides till, as this is front and sides open kurta, so I'll be giving the slits and the concealing I've shown in the previous video how to conceal the slits. If you don't know, please check with the video. The links is available in the description box. I'm almost done with the stitching. Now I'll overlap the plackets like this and just below the burst line, that means leaving till 12 inches from the shoulder line, I'll give the opening on the top and also till just below the hip line I'll join it. Just overlap it like this. Below the bust line I'll start the stitching. If you want completely open type, you can just add the buttons and leave it, but I don't want to be open like this, so I'm just overlapping it and giving the stitch. And at the bottom I'll be leaving nearly 18 inches. Finally, I'll join the fabric buttons. I made this with the same fabric and this is of 22 number buttons. I'll give the hand stitch, placing it like this with the distance of 3 inches between, and the final lookout is here. Professionally done with the clean and neat finishings, making of an elegant, simple long kurta. As I said, it's the pattern of slim fit. Those who want to look slim, fit and tall must try this type of patterns. I really enjoyed doing this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Having any doubt, suggestions relating to this video, you can write to me in the comment section. I'd like to address your requests. And following the instructions in the video, you can create for any age groups just using your customized measurements. That's it. So friends, that's all for now. Hope you'll definitely like it. Please try and share your wonderful experience. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel and stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Also do hit the bell icon so that you won't miss my any of future upload and you'll receive all the notifications. Meet you all with another interesting video. See you all. Take care. Bye for now.